from Bath and Body Works today. Box with me. Oh, there you go. Weekly, endless weekend and Sundridge linen. For the clean house vibes, I didn't know about two, and I got this snowflakes and cashmere. It was on sale for like $2 some change on their website last week for Black Friday. Pound cake, Pure Wonder Touch of Gold. You definitely got to get the body wash. Of course, from this package, I got the laundry candles as well. I can't wait to show you guys the candles for this package. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Gotta get the snowflake and cashmere, baby. Gotta get that. Oh my God, it smells like North Post. I feel like it's a gift to myself. Woo! See, the touch of gold, babe. I'm trying to tell y'all boys. Y'all sleep, man. And the candle, oh my God. The last two. Okay, no, this marshmallow fireside, which I had got the single wick one. So I gotta get the three wick one. Oh, I love false scent. Like, I ain't gonna lie, man. Like, it's the best. Well, I got two of Touch of Gold. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. To the next box. I feel like it's like a Christmas to myself. Sometimes I be ordering stuff. I don't know what I be ordering. I just be ordering stuff, child. Ooh, more sprays. Let's see what scent I got. You know, I gotta get these. These stuff never on sale. Like, I had to get these on sale, y'all. This was Cabin, which I never really smelled this one. Woo! Smells like Christmas already. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy. That thing smells good. Sage and tea, the best. Ooh, that one smells nice. I ain't gonna lie, I like that Christmas one. Christmas, I ain't really smell this one. Yep. I fucks with it. Yep. Okay, what else? I got the Touch of Gold, another one. Snowflake and cashmere. Also, I got Frozen Lake. Smells frozen. Smell frozen. Oh, okay, yeah, that smells good. I smell it. This is the season to be jolly. What, I ain't smelled this one yet. Hold on. Tis the season, man. It's a long tis the season. Ooh, too much spray. Ain't struggling. But weather. Hey, you gotta get the sweater weather. You feel me? Bright Christmas morning. Of course, the day of Christmas. You know, definitely gotta spray this. Sweet it hard. Ooh, I ain't never had these much sprays, kid. I love this shit. Snowflakes. Strawberry snowflakes, and this one is cozy Christmas PJs. Okay, definitely my house gonna smell real good. I already got the plugged in. I already got the Febreze sprays plugged in. When I walk in the home, the house gotta smell good. Get y'all little sales going on. Cyber Monday probably passed already, but you never know. Download the Bath and Body Works app and get that coupon. Bath and Body Works. If you're watching, sponsor your girl, because your girl is obsessed with these sprays and candles. And yeah, that's the end of Vlogmas 2. Y'all stay tuned for tomorrow. Yeah, look at all that.